Hey, just going to do a quick video and show you guys how I am cleaning up my N64 games, just so they start up quicker. Normally you can just blow on them and that seems to work quite effectively, but we're also giving them a clean up with some isopropyl alcohol. So what you do is you get one of these earbud things, I think they may be called Q-tips, and you dip one side into this isopropyl alcohol, also called rubbing alcohol, and then you just put it into the slot and kind of go over it, so it's all covered, and as you can see, like, all the dirt's come off. Then we'll do the other side, and this stuff dries like really quickly, so that's handy. But what I do is then I use the other end of the Q-tip just to go over it, dry it up, and get off all the extra dirt and stuff. So yeah, I might do that twice actually, because there's still a bit coming off. Dip it in the alcohol, and then go over it again. It's pretty clean now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just thought I'd share that with you. Yeah, cheers for watching.